That's right. Good morning. This is a hugely important moment, and it adds yet more jeopardy to an already deeply febrile political environment. As you say, a Pakistani trial court has sentenced former Prime Minister Imran Khan to 3 years in prison for illegally selling state gifts. This 70-year-old cricketer-turned politician was accused of misusing his office between 2018 and 2022 to buy and sell gifts that were in state possession, ultimately, that he received during visits abroad, that was said to be worth around 140 million Pakistani rupees. That's around 500,000 pounds. Protocol requires prime ministers to store these objects in the state's safe house. Imran Khan is accused of having sold them at profit, something he denies. Now, he has been arrested. We've seen images of a police convoy taking him away from his residence in Lahore. He wasn't, in fact, in court when this sentence was handed down, but I have spoken with his team who say they are already filing a petition against the decision in the High Court. Now, Mr. Khan's been accused of over 150 cases since he was ousted from power back in April last year. You will recall in May there was huge protests around his arrest related to separate charges, and we saw a lot of tension between supporters of Imran Khan and the police. We also saw military installations attacked, and since then we have continued to see this cat and mouse game. Imran Khan attending court regularly to face a multitude of charges. Now, the timing of this arrest and the possible sentence he faces are hugely significant. He could stand 3 years in prison. Now, we are about to go into a period of an interim government. Shahbaz Sharif's government has said that they are going to hand over to a caretaker government on the 9th of August, so just days away. That effectively starts the march towards an election. So a caretaker government takes over in between, and then they compete, of course, to try and win. But Imran Khan, of course, is arrested. He has always said that these charges are an attempt to stop him from running. Well, if he does remain in detention, he won't be able to run. And so his political ascent, if you like, will be stopped. He's always denied any wrongdoing, always insisted that the charges are politically motivated. His party, the PTI, which has been somewhat depleted since those May protests, they have called for more protests. I think we're going to see a lot of reaction. So uncertain times for Imran Khan and Pakistan as a country.